Good everyone, is your favorite tutor, and today is your favorite tutor on mathematics. So, our topic for today is change of subject formula, also known as what transposition of what formula. It's a very simple topic. For example, let us say, for example, the area of a rectangle is equal to what length times what breadth. Now, if we're to make breadth the subject formula, we have to divide both sides by what? Length. Divided by length. Therefore, length cancel out length. Therefore, area over what? Length is equals to what? Breadth. So therefore, breadth is equals to what? Area over what? Length. Breadth is now the what? Subject formula of the what? Equation. You can see that it is very what? Simple. Okay, I have questions on the board. Now let's take questions. Now if you look at these questions very well, it said make S the subject formula. P equals to what? Y over 2 plus what? 1 over 2x raised to the power of 3. Then when we make S subject formula in this equation, then we are going to do what? Find S. B said find S when P is 33 and y is equals to what? 1. Okay, first of all, we make S subject formula, then we'll find x when P is 33 and when y is 1. Okay, the equation, what is the equation? The equation is what? P equals to what? Y raised to the power of 2 plus 1 all over what? 2x to the power of what? 3. Let me divide this board into 2. Okay. So therefore, this is the what equation. We are going to make S subject formula. First of all, we take this y to the other side of the equation. Right here is positive. When the crossover it changes to negative. So therefore, P minus what? Y the power of 2 equals to what? 1 all over what? 2x the power of what? 3. So therefore, we do what? Cross multiply. We cross multiply. This is all over 1. P minus y raised to the power of 2 times this. This is going to be what? 2x raised to the power of 3. Multiplying what? P minus what? Y power of 2 equals to what? 1 times 1 is what? 1. Okay. Then we divide both sides by 2 bracket what? P minus y the power of what? 2. Why do I divide both sides by this? Because when we divide both sides by this, x raised to the power of 3 will stand on its own. So therefore, this is what? P 2 x raised to the power of 3 bracket P minus y the power of 2 divided by what? 2 bracket what? P minus y the power of what? 2 equals to what? 1 all over what? 2 bracket what? P minus y the power of what? 2. You can see from here, 2 cancel out 2. P minus y bracket, the bracket cancel out each other, and x raised to the power of 3. Take one side of the what? Equation. So therefore, this is equals to 1 all over what? 2 bracket what? P minus y the power of 2. Okay. So here we are. Now, we are to make S subject formula, not S raised to the power of 3. So we are going to remove this what? Power of what? 3. To remove the power of 3, we use the what? The roots. So therefore, we take what? Cube roots of both sides. Taking cube root of both sides, therefore, this is what? The cube root of x raised to the power of 3 equals to what? This is what? The cube root cube root 1 all over what? 2 bracket what? P minus y in the power of 2 bracket close. So therefore, the power is going to cancel out the roots, leaving what? X equals to, this is cube roots. We have the cube root of 1 all over what? The cube root of 2 bracket P minus 1 to the power of 2. So therefore X is equals to what? The cube root of 1 is what? 1 all over what? The cube root of, this is what? 2 bracket what? P minus y by what? 2. So this is the what? The answer to the what? Question. X is now the what? Subject formula. Okay. B said find X when P is what? 33 and Y is what? 1. We will now use the what? Equation. So therefore X is equals to, let us substitute value, 1 all over what? The cube root 2 bracket P is what? 33 minus Y is what? 1. Therefore that is, since Y is 1 and Y is raised to the power of 2, is going to be 1 raised to the power of 2. So this is what? X equals to what? 1 all over, this is what? The cube root 2 brackets, this is 33 minus 1 raised to the power of 2 is what? 1. 1 raised to the power of 2 is what? 1. Close brackets. So right here we have what? X is equals to 1 all over the what? Cube roots. This is what? 2 brackets what? 33 minus 1 is what? 32. Okay, 32 in what? Brackets. It's like I've exhausted that side of the board. Okay, let us take it this way. So what we have there is what? X equals to what? 1 all over the cube roots 2 brackets 32. So this is what we have there. Okay, so this is what? X equals to what? 1 all over the what? Cube root 2 times 32 is what? 60 what? 4. So therefore this is X equals to what? 1 all over what? Cube root of 64 is what? 4. So this is the what? Answer to the what? Question. X is equals to what? 1 all over 4 when P is what? 33 and Y is equals to what? 1. So we come to the what? End of this what? Episode. Okay, in my next class we are going to take number 2. So just stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to get notification. Thank you and God bless you. You can pause the video and then write it down. I remain your favorite tutor.